Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. Hey guys, Stephen I from My Ford Fortune, creating fortunes for the future. Today is Saturday, 27th, I think, of July 2023. I'm up in Mount Eden, in the middle of Auckland City. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful view. A viewing point that's closed off to cars traveling up here, but people can walk up here. And just behind me should be Auckland City somewhere. There we go. There we go. And what's the story today? Again, I think today's story is basically, again, using our heads, our ideas to create something for ourselves in the future. I'm here on Mount Eden. Sounds religious, of course, doesn't it? And I'm recording this to let you know. Ideas are wonderful things. Most of us have too many ideas. But if you're only going to take just one idea, work on that one idea, and you'd be surprised what you can achieve just taking one idea that comes from your head. Or ideas you can probably copy of somebody else. But most basically it comes from my own mindset. And that's the key. Having the opportunity to be able to think. And when we can think up of ideas, we'd be surprised what we can do with ideas totally focused and concentrated on. I'm not here to boast, but I'm here to share some of the secrets of taking an idea, making it a reality for yourself. My idea was to become a billionaire 2007. It was just an idea. And I said to myself, why not? Why should I want to go for a million when there's a name called a billion and already billionaires exist in life? So it's nothing new. I wasn't going for something outrageous, just based on the fact there were billionaires already in existence. So that was the idea. Just taking something that already exists, taking ownership of it. 2007, I set that goal. 2012, I wrote something quite ironic. It was a check I wrote to myself, $1 billion worth, and put it in my wallet. I carried that dummy check in my wallet since 2012 till today that I've got those huge numbers showing in accounts. Now, those numbers in my current account didn't just appear. I worked for it. I dreamed about it. I desired it. I wrote about it. For people now to say, it's not real. You're not real. I'm real. I just took an idea and made it a reality for myself. Why? That's why not. That's the beauty of it. It's just an idea. Take an idea, take ownership of an idea, and make it a reality. And that's why I'm here with myself, my wife somewhere. Even my wife's taking a bit of a hard time believing that indeed we can create something just from an idea. And when we take ownership of an idea and make it a reality for ourselves, it's a miracle. Thank God for it. I mean, I'm thanking God. I had the opportunity to do so in my lifetime, to achieve something outrageous just from an idea. Held on to the idea until it became reality. I got huge numbers now showing in my account. How did that come to be? Simple. It was just an idea. Idea that I carried or thought about in my head and realized there are already billionaires on this earth. Why shouldn't I go for it? And I did. I went for it. And all I did was wrote about it, wrote numbers that I love to have, prayed about it, think a lot about it, talk about it before it became a reality. I'm no joke. I'm just giving you an idea. Imagine if you had your own idea and you never gave up on that idea. It's called dream chasers. That's all I did. I chased a dream. I was lucky. I had a dream from God that showed me I own an ATM, massive one, huge one, full of money. I just came out of church and there was this big, huge ATM machine being built outside the church, and God said to me, "It's your son, I'm going to fill it up with money." Now, who am I to deny that sort of possibilities? I just took that and owned it. And of course, this is another testimony. God showed his face to me in a dream, Took my hand and said, son, take my hand, we're going places. Figure that out. Then a man, just with an idea, actually got God's attention. And here I am, I can testify. On paper, I'm a billionaire. I'm proud to say so. I'm not here to show off, I'm just letting you know. Idea, it was just an idea. Idea. That's all Mr. Ford took. And believed in the idea, trusted the idea, prayed about the idea, before it became a reality. Mount Eden. Sounds biblical, doesn't it? I'm up here telling you that story. So when you see me in the future, it's not because I'm boasting. I'm giving you an idea. What idea again? You come up with your head. If you attach yourself, take ownership of that idea, give it time before it materializes, meaning come to reality, and don't ever let anybody or even your wife say you can't. Yes, you can. Just stick with it. The time and the struggle to go through to get it can be tough. But the beauty of it, when you chase dreams, they do come to reality. You just got to be patient and trust. Trust God, trust yourself before you can get it into your hands. Okay? That's the beautiful thing about it. Trust, believe. Remember, I told you, it took 2007 when I came up with this idea to 2023. How many years is that? Count it. It didn't just happen overnight. Dream chasers. Think of big dreams. What they say, think big. That's all I've done. I just thought about it in a bigger way. Anyway, this is Stephen R. from My Fortune, creating fortunes for the future up here in Mount Eden. We love you. God loves you. We'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.